Imagine waking up, no birds, no insects, no wind, no leaves moving, nothing. At first that might sound peaceful, but for ancient humans, complete silence was one of the most terrifying sounds imaginable, because thousands of years ago silence didn't mean safety, it meant something had scared every living creature away, and whatever caused that silence could be coming for you next. Long before cities, before cars, before electricity, the world was constantly alive with sound. Birds sang from the trees, insects buzzed endlessly, leaves rustled in the wind, frogs croaked near rivers, even at night wolves howled, owls called, and tiny animals moved through the bushes. Ancient humans grew up surrounded by this endless orchestra. Their brains learned something important. If nature was making noise, everything was probably normal. The sounds became a signal of safety, not because they were pleasant, but because they meant life was continuing as expected. But sometimes without warning every sound disappeared. The birds stopped singing, the insects fell silent, even the wind seemed to vanish. For a few terrifying seconds, the entire forest held its breath. To modern people this might seem strange, but ancient hunters knew exactly what it meant. Animals always noticed danger first. If every creature suddenly became silent, there was usually only one explanation: a predator was nearby. Imagine walking through a dense forest. You can't see more than a few meters ahead. There are no maps, no flashlights, no phones, no weapons powerful enough to stop a hungry predator. Your ears become your greatest survival tool. Then suddenly everything goes quiet. Your heartbeat gets louder. Every step feels dangerous. Your brain starts imagining what your eyes cannot see: a giant cat, a pack of wolves, or something hiding in the shadows. That fear kept humans alive. Those who ignored silence often never returned. Even though we now live in safe homes, our brains never completely forgot. Have you ever walked through an empty parking garage, or a silent hallway late at night and suddenly felt uncomfortable? Nothing happened, nobody was there, yet your heart beat faster. That's because your brain still treats unnatural silence as a warning. It's an ancient survival program running thousands of years later.